In the grand tapestry of household chores, one task often stands out as both essential and, dare I say, therapeutic: the act of cleaning windows. But fear not, for in this tale of domestic conquest emerges a hero clad not in armor but in bristles. Behold the crystal sweep, your window whiz and glass guru, ready to transform your cleaning routine into a breeze of clarity. Imagine a tool so ingeniously designed that it not only tackles dirt and grime, but does so with the finesse of a maestro conducting a symphony. The crystal sweep is no ordinary brush. It's a performance in cleaning, a choreography of bristles designed to sweep away the troubles that obscure your view. It's not just a cleaning tool, it's a dance partner in the ballet of cleanliness. Let's talk about design, for the crystal sweep is not just functional, it's a work of art. The handle, perfectly contoured to fit your grip, feels like an extension of your hand, giving you unparalleled control as you twirl and swirl your way to spotless windows. The bristles, a carefully curated ensemble of cleaning prowess, are arranged in a symmetrical pattern to ensure that no smudge is left unchallenged. But what truly sets the crystal sweep apart is its versatility. It doesn't discriminate. Windows, mirrors, glass tables, shower doors, name a surface, and this brush is ready for the challenge. It's not just a window cleaner, it's a household companion, a one-stop solution for all your glass cleaning needs. Embrace the crystal sweep and bid farewell to the days of juggling different tools for different surfaces. Now, let's dive into the mechanics. The crystal sweep doesn't just brush away dirt, it captivates it, lifts it off the surface with a magnetic force that leaves no trace behind. The bristles, meticulously designed to reach every nook and cranny, ensure a thorough cleaning experience. It's like a magic wand for your windows, waving away smudges with the wave of your hand. As you wield the crystal sweep, you'll notice a certain rhythm, a dance between form and function. The ergonomic design isn't just for show. It's a testament to the thoughtful engineering that went into creating a tool that not only performs exceptionally, but does so without causing fatigue. Cleaning windows is no longer a chore, it's a performance, and you're the star with the crystal sweep as your trusty sidekick. But what about those hard-to-reach places, you ask? Fear not, for the crystal sweep comes equipped with an extendable handle, reaching new heights to conquer even the most challenging corners. It's like the superhero of cleaning tools, stretching its limits to ensure that no spot is left untouched. Say goodbye to wobbly ladders and precarious positions. The crystal sweep has got it covered. Let's talk about sustainability, for the crystal sweep is not just a consumer of resources, it's a champion of eco-friendliness. Crafted from durable, recyclable materials, it's a brush with a conscience, ensuring that your pursuit of cleanliness doesn't come at the cost of the planet. The bristles, made from sustainable materials, deliver a guilt-free cleaning experience, leaving both your conscience and your windows clear. Now, let's explore the personality of the crystal sweep. It's not just a tool, it's a companion in your cleaning adventures. With its vibrant colors and sleek design, it adds a touch of personality to your cleaning arsenal. The bristles, arranged in perfect harmony, aren't just there for function, they're there to make a statement. The crystal sweep isn't just a brush, it's a statement piece, a declaration that your commitment to cleanliness comes with style. Thanks for watching. That is it for today. Do not forget to subscribe and share the content if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one.